Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame, dollar yen showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at first of all bigger picture looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly, we can see that dollar yen is aggressively bullish now. We saw that from this historical market structure, dollar yen is creating series of higher high and higher low. There is an impulse consolidation, and the price every month was creating series of higher high and higher low and created this is strong impulse, followed by we have seen a breakdown couple of months. After breakdown, we saw the price has come to this significant monthly level of support, and from that support, what we have seen that dollar yen was moving along this zone with series of higher low creation, and with that series of higher low previous months, dollar yen has closed with this um, bullish candle. That bullish candle in fact has closed crossing all the previous monthly high, which is the sign that the bulls are strong. The market closed above this resistance level, and dollar yen may continue to rise to the upside. As there is an imbalance in that zone, we could see that dollar yen is pushing to the upside to create a new higher high, and there is no significant resistance. What I think the dollar yen may continue to rise to create even break this resistance level on the monthly. If we look at weekly, we can see that there is a typical bullish price action. Firstly, this is an uptrend. As you can see, the market was creating series of higher high and higher low, and with that impulse we saw that multiple times the price grabbed liquidity and created this impulse. And again we saw that in that impulse as well, the previous weekly candle has a huge liquidity grab from the support, and with that liquidity grab, weekly candle closed as a giant bullish engulfer that has a very narrow wick at the top, and highly likely that this current weekly candle as well will break to the upside and could continue to rise to create a new higher high. If we look at daily, we can find the typical bullish market structure on the daily time frame as well, and this is the trend line. The price was respecting, as you can see, support here, support here, support here, and from that support, testing this daily 20 EMA, we saw the dollar yen has bounced to the upside, and from that bounce, what we can see that dollar yen was respecting this long term daily channel. And if you draw this, we can see the price currently just from that previous resistance turn support, dollar yen has another bounce on the daily. Now this is the daily candle, and as you can see, it is approaching the resistance. What I think that this market may continue to rise even to this previous support zone, which is turning resistance here, which is also an order block, and we can expect dollar yen at least to reach that level on the lower time frame. So if we look at further lower time frame on the intraday, we can see that there is already an impulse initiated followed by a doji very narrow correction. We have seen another impulse, two dodges. Now we see dollar yen is creating another impulse. What I think that as already the market little bit of overextended in this lower time frame, we could see a bit more deeper pullback. Any kind of deeper pullback, especially if the dollar yen is coming to this dodgy area where there is a high liquidity on the lower time frame, we will consider going long on dollar yen with a high probability trade setup with our students to take this move to the upside. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. This will help this free educational content. Thank you very much. I will see you soon in my next analysis.